Hello,
Hello,
how are you today?
I'm good.
What's your name?
I'm Hà Băng.
How old are you?
I'm 7.
Okay, good job. So today we will talk about topic at my birthday party. Can you read me word for me?
At my birthday party, popcorn, pizza, pasta, cookies, candy, cake, hot balloon.
Okay, good job. So where are you?
I'm at my birthday party.
What can you see?
I can see popcorn. I can see pizza. I can see pasta. I can see cookies. I can see candy. I can see cake. I can see heart. I can see balloon.
Which food do you like?
I like popcorn, pizza, and pizza. The popcorn is yummy. The it's yummy. The pizza is yummy.
Okay, wonderful. Goodbye.
Goodbye.